Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set up Metapixel with your Squarespace website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, which is the home page that you want to log into, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here. You can find all the websites that you have under your account. So here's my website that I want to connect with Metapixel. So what I'm going to do is open it up by clicking the website button right here. This is going to open up my website right now where I can access all my options for editing it. So basically guys, as you can see on this support page of Squarespace, we have the quick introduction in how to use Metapixel with Squarespace. So basically what you want to do is follow the guide that you can find right here in this thread, and you can see the steps we need to do. So basically guys, we are removing any pixel code that we have. This is optional. What you can do is go into the code injection panel that is going to take you directly right here, and you can get started pasting your code for deleting any pixel code that you do not want. This is optional as it says. So in this header and footer, you can go ahead and go inject your code so that you can remove anything. This is where we can get started with adding our pixel. So basically, to use Metapixel with Squarespace, you'll need a pixel ID. If you haven't already, follow Facebook steps to create a Metapixel. So go ahead and create it using the steps you can find right here, and then copy the pixel ID that you get for the Metapixel that you want to add to your site. So you can see this is where you can log in with your Facebook and get started with creating Metapixel. So after that, you want to open up the Metapixel and Ads panel in your website, as you can find it right here. And under marketing in your settings, you'll be able to find Metapixel and Ads, and this is where you want to find your pixel ID. So basically, if you cannot find this section, it's going to be in your settings icon right here. This is your settings, and under marketing, you'll be able to find Metapixel and Ads, and this is where you want to paste your ID, save it, and this is how to connect to those two successfully. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.